Hi guys and girls on YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This video was actually inspired by a friend of mine who does a little bit with LCD TVs just as a hobby, and he came in one day and he said he got a 55-inch LG TV and the backlights were out. Could I order a new set of backlights? So I ordered these backlights, and a few days later he rang me up and he said there'd been a big disaster with the TV. He said he fitted the backlights all right, but one of the LEDs had burnt up, and there was a bit of smoke damage inside the screen on one of the plastic sheets or one of the reflectors, and he said he tried to clean it and it's completely ruined it. It didn't look right, so he put it back together and the picture didn't look right when it was all back in either. So I'm going to just show you a quick demonstration on this TV. This is actually one with a broken screen. I've started disassembling. It's a scrap one, so it doesn't matter. We're going to do no damage. But when you take it out, you see you've got these plastic screens inside. Now everybody knows it's very, very important that when you take these out, there's different layers and they've got to be refitted exactly in the order they came out. But let me show you something else. So we've got this telly stripped down now. There's actually three parts to this. If we lift that up, that's the first one, and then if we can get hold of it, we'll hold the camera. There's another one, and then down at the bottom there's a thick plastic sheet. Now all these have got to be reassembled in exactly the same order, but my friend says one of these has smoke damage on it. So he took it out and he cleaned it. So I'm going to take one of these out and we're going to clean it first. I'll try it with water first. I've actually set up another demonstration as well. I've left one of these screens outside in the rain for a week or so. So we're going to have a look at that as well. But let's just take these out first. First I'll try cleaning with water. And then we'll try cleaning with glass cleaner and with a degreasant and see what happens. Right, so I've just taken out one of these plastic sheets. I'm going to lay it on that one so we can see where I've been writing on it. So we're going to try three different things. We're going to try just ordinary water from the tap, glass cleaner, and elbow grease degreasant. And I've sectioned that off into three parts so we can have a look what happens when we're trying to clean this now. Right, so this side here, a bit of water straight from the tap. Give that a rub, and then we'll move on to the glass cleaner next. Where's the glass cleaner? Just put my arm on it so it doesn't move. Give that a bit of a rub, and then next we'll try the degreaser. Right, so here's the degreaser. Spray a bit on there. Give that a rub. Just as you would do if you were trying to remove a smoke mark. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a piece of blue roll. I'm just going to dry all them off and then we'll take a look. But I think you can see from here now what's happening. Right, I don't know how well this shows up on the camera, but if you look at that now, that's completely dry, and it's changed the surface of this. These plastic sheets must be coated with something, and what it's done, it's rubbed it off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the one that's been outside in the rain for a bit, because you'll see the effect a lot more on that. Right, so this is the one I've pulled out the backyard. Out of a TV, and if we light on there, you can see where the rain's been running down, and it's completely changed. It's almost become translucent. You can see the lines where water's been running down. Let's just have a look at the other side. The other side makes it even worse. So these plastic sheets, they're obviously coated with, I don't know, I'm not an expert in optics, but they're obviously coated in something optical. And my advice would be not not to clean them with anything, or just to clean it with a dry piece of cloth. But definitely don't use any sort of liquids on these. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, many thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.